title. Each canto has a title. What does anyone know what the title of Canto 10 is? Don't know. It's called the summum bonum. That's a Latin term. I don't really know what that's the translation of the Sanskrit. I wonder what it is. But it says that you can read in the front. You can see it says some. This is not part one. You have to see part one. Anyway, it's there. Each canto has a title. One is called Shristi, one is called Shristi and about creation, etc. So summum bonum, it means bonum means the complete sum total of good things. Like we say bonus. Bonus means good things or benefit or blessing, extra. So the sum total of the whole Bhagavat. In other words, this is a summum bonum. I mean, this is a summary. This is what it's all about. This is the essence of the 12 cantos of Bhagavatam. The summum bonum of the sum total. You've heard this term. When we add up all these figures, or what is the sum total? So summum bonum means of all the bonuses and of all the good benedictions and good things that are offered and all which are literally and specifically offered, sprinkled throughout the Srimad Bhagavatam. If anyone reads the Rudra Gita in the morning, he gets this benefit. If anyone has trouble with ghosts, if they recite this chapter, they get in the morning, they'll get free. Many things are there in Bhagavat benedictions, karmic blessings. So here, this is the complete sum total of all the essence of Bhagavatam. The summum bonum of the Srimad Bhagavat. The Srimad Bhagavat is about Bhagavan, and the summum bonum is all about Krishna and Vrindavan, Mathura, and Dwarka. Krishna Lila, especially Vrindavan. So the best thing is presented first. So the topmost supreme Sringararati of Krishna is presented in the first part of Vrindavan Lila, which is subsequently followed by Mathura Lila and Dwarka Lila, which are considered Purna. The Lila in Vrindavan is Purnatam because it's a complete, absolute sweetness, Ati Madhurya of Bhagavan, with a sprinkling of Aishvarya, or grandeur of power and godhood. But when we go to Mathura, the sweetness is somewhat subdued, so it's called Purnatara Lila. And there's also lots of Aishvarya there and less Madhurya. And we move on to Dwarka Lila, and it's called Purna Lila, because there is Purna Bhagavan, and in Mathura is Purnatara Bhagavan, Sri Krishna, and Vrindavan is Purnatam Bhagavan, and the subsequent Leelas. So the Leelas in Dwarka are complete and nice, lots of sweetness and lots of grandeur and opulence. But the sweetest of the sweet is Madhurya, Sri Krishna, Leela Madhurya, Vena Madhurya, Rupa Madhurya, Prema Madhurya, and Vrindavan. This is summum bonum.